Alright, you are here because you have scanned the QR code for this problem on the homework, or you've looked up this video on the class website. And I just want to explain how we approach a problem like this. It starts the same as the section before. We find this last number, except this time we're going to do it with an equation. And so technically, if there's nothing on this side of the equation, this number is 0. So the original equation technically would read g squared plus 12g equals 0. Now, just so you're clear, I've left these blank on your worksheet just so you can fill in the blanks, and it makes it a little bit easier on you. Now, if I want to complete the square, I need to find a number that goes here. And I'm going to get that by taking half of 12 and then squaring that number to give me my c, and that number is 36. And since I have a 30 plus 36 on this side, algebraically, I have to do plus 36 on the other side to give me this new equation, g squared plus 12g plus 36 equals 36. And here's the important step. That's the completing the square step. And here's why we complete the square. Because this now becomes g plus something squared equals 36. So think about this with me. You know how to factor this basic polynomial. What number would go right here, since this is a sum of squares? The square root of g squared is g. What's the square root of 36? Oh, it ends up being the same number we found here in this second step, 6. So g plus 6 squared is 36, and all you have to do is, now that this is isolated, you take the square root of both sides, and then you're on your way solving this quadratic equation where you should get g equals some positive number and some negative number. Need any more help with this? Feel free to shoot me an email. The basic gist is whatever you add here, you have to add to the other side, and then sort of do the factor of your sum of squares and then solve.